What you all need to do if you're dealing with those nasal stuffiness is you need to take a cold pack of any kind here, and you want to place it on your frontal sinuses just above the nasal bridge here. And you want to hold it here for about maybe 10 seconds at a time. And you want to just kind of hold it there, take a little break, let it kind of thaw out a little bit, and you want to place it back over the frontal nasal sinuses just right here. Now I can already feel the inflammation starting to drift away. Because what happens is that inflammation builds up, those sinuses start to swell. Not only does it swells around the nasal passages, but it also starts affecting the ears. You start to feel that clogginess, that stuffiness, and then if it gets really bad, you start noticing those swishing sounds, those clicking sounds. This is probably the easiest way. Now, a lot of you have probably heard take a warm pack and place it over the sinuses. That's great for drainage. That's going to help a lot with opening up those nasal passages. But what if you're dealing with swelling? A lot of you are dealing with that as well from having sinus infections, seasonal allergies, just having that overly sensation of clogginess in your ears and your sinuses, and you have all that swelling building up because of the inflammation, and you need a way to reduce that. Literally taking this cold pack is probably the most simple, easy, effective way that has zero side effects. And you can put it over here, and you want to just place it there for about, like I said, 5 to 10 seconds at a time. I can already feel, if you notice, you can hear my nose opening up. I woke up a little bit today with a little bit of stuffiness, nothing major at all. Thought, okay, I need to go get my cold pack, place it over my sinuses, and simply hold it there. You hold it there, and it's very effective. You'll start to notice that you'll breathe better. If you breathe better, you get that oxygenation up. You're going to notice that your ears are going to also follow suit. So do this about 2 to 3 times a day or when you have time. It doesn't have to be brick ice cold like mine is right here. It can literally be a gel pack or something, or even a pack of veggies, some peas, or anything you have in your freezer. Hold it there about, like I said, 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Kind of take a little breaks, intervals, and you'll notice right away you'll start to get that good breath of fresh air. Those nasal passages will start opening up. That swelling will start to reduce. And because that swelling is reducing in the nasal region, your ears are going to also start to open up as well. So I hope that was a quick and easy hack for you. A lot of you have been reaching out, asking for shorter and quicker and effective videos that you can kind of do on the go. And I've been wanting to hopefully get on here and do these quick, short, easy videos for you. So this way you can get to what you're dealing with right now. A lot of you are dealing with a lot of issues with your sinuses. And I can imagine that right now in this time of the year with summer kicking off, it's going to be a lot of you out there dealing with this. So hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I will catch you in the next video.